Well, howdy, everyone. If you're addicted to acquiring assets like me, well, then you're going to be pretty happy about this one. This week, especially if you are a fan of Japan like I am, Ninhon wa totomo kakkoi desu ne. And if you know what that means, then that means you'd probably like this asset too. If you follow my link below, which will be affiliate link, so if you buy anything, it'll help me out, thank you. If you follow the link below, all you have to do is enter this little coupon code right here, and you get this asset called the Tokyo Street. And it is a very nice street, especially if you've ever been to Japan. It looks just like the streets of Tokyo. It looks like it's a pretty high quality asset, and Art Equilibrium is also having a sale this week. So again, if you just want this asset, just want the free thing, just add it to your cart. When you go to checkout, you just go and enter that coupon. Now, I'm going to give you a heads up and a warning. I hope you're watching this video before June 12th, before 7:59 a.m. PT, because if you aren't, then you will not be able to get this asset for free. Now, other things I want to point out. Now, I primarily do VR tutorials, and so one thing I want to point out that I found to be very cool is they have, of this Tokyo Street, they also have a mobile version. So if you want the mobile version for an even more optimized experience, they do something cool here. It's only $3, which, come on, you got $3, I got $3. And if you look here, it looks like the asset is made in a classic modular design. 4 types of exterior decoration of houses fit into one texture that is 2048 by 2048. That is incredibly impressive. So that, I mean, if you are trying to optimize for VR, this is definitely the way you would want to go. Now, that's not saying you can't use these other assets in VR, but you might have to be a little more strategic depending on how they're set up. Another one, 95% off for this abandoned psychiatric hospital, which is very, very cool. I've noticed not only do they do a lot of Japanese kind of style or influenced buildings, but they do a lot of horror too. So if you're a fan of horror, I would highly advise you come check out this sale, or even if you miss the sale, like come in here and check out some of their assets. This is fantastic. If you want to make a horror game, use these guys. Definitely check out what models they got. Other ones that I found to be very interesting, a horror mansion, classic. I'll play the video of the horror mansion so you can get the feel of what this art studio has done. I mean, it's classic horror stuff. You got bones, you got dungeons, you have paintings, creepy paintings, upside down crosses. Reborn, we need you. Well, I don't know what that means, but like, I've always been a massive fan of horror. I think when you are starting off making a game, I think a horror game should be one of your first choices if you want to pick a genre and just get your beak wet and learn how to do it. Now, obviously, if you're doing VR and you have this fog going around, it's probably going to beat up your frame rate a bit, but you know, who knows? Who knows? You might be able to optimize it and not have it destroy it. Now, of course, they don't only do horror. They also have this one called Japan Village. Again, it's only $24 right now. I would definitely just put this studio on your list of people to follow constantly because the stuff is gorgeous. I mean, it's cute, it's cozy, but they also do horror. These guys, I love that they both do pretty much like cozy Japanese villages and then also horror. I mean, honestly, if there was a way to describe things I love most in this world, it is those two things. So maybe I'm just attracted to this stuff naturally. Now, another one for my VR developers out there, they do have a Boxing Club VR. So Boxing Club VR, it says Boxing Club for VR. Here you can try yourself as a boxer. You can kick the bags, pull the barbells, or go into the ring. Colliders are configured in the assets. Bags are suspended and they can be kicked, which is weird if I'm boxing. And they do say it is their first VR package and they were hoping to improve on it. And I mean, it has good reviews. So it looks like they've done a pretty decent job. So if you've ever wanted to make a boxing game in VR, it does look like it comes with gloves. We have all these different things for training. I mean, it's a great foundation for a VR boxing game. So you might want to check that out. I'm not going to sit here and ramble about all this stuff. You should come check out this sale, especially if you're interested in horror, Japan, making a VR boxing game. If anything, just go collect that free asset. Again, you have till June 12th, so hopefully you're seeing this video. Now, I'm getting this video out as quickly as I saw the sale, but I am a little late. It did start last Thursday, so that's why it is ending soon. So if you know anyone who would be interested in this, please share the video, like the video so it can be exposed to more people. But honestly, just share the link with them. Just let them know the sale's going on because I think it's a good one. I'm a really big fan of what I see from this art studio, and I just want the word to get out so they can get some sales. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye!